Hello guys, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 9T for you, which is the global version of the Redmi K20. I have the carbon black color here, 6 GB RAM, 64 GB storage. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what we have here first. Nice black color. Tool ejection sim, of course. Manuals. Oh, and this is a surprise. We have a case for the back of the phone, which is a very nice hard case. No fingerprint. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. I really hate glass phones that show fingerprints all over the place. Yeah, very nice touch for Xiaomi. The phone. Power cable. I see it's a Type C power cable, very nice. Power adapter, and we have headphone, no headphone. That's a very nice phone. All black. Let's peel this off. Oh yeah. Big screen AMOLED display, very nice. So we have Type C connector, speaker grill. I think here is the drawer for the SIM card. Power button, volume button, 3.5mm headphone jack, very nice. And this is the selfie camera, which is a pop-up type. Nothing on the left side. Yeah, the phone looks awesome. Let's start it up. Mi logo. Very nice display. Full screen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this phone. Let's see how it looks like with the case. Yeah, it's perfect fit. Okay, thank you for watching.